Hello. My today's topic is the satellite subsystem, and in satellite subsystem, the telemetry tracking, command and monitoring, TTC and M, most important word in satellite communication. The name implies that is telemetry, tracking, command and monitoring. These are the four functional activities required for the operation of satellite. The tracking, telemetry, command and monitoring subsystem provides the essential spacecraft management and control function to keep the satellite operating safely in orbit. Clear? The tracking, telemetry, command and monitoring, TTC and M, this is a satellite subsystem that provides essential spacecraft management and control function to keep satellite operating safely in orbit. Clear? Now, this is the block diagram of TTC and AIM system. What is the tracking? We know the word telemetry. Telemetry means the elements of TTC and AIM is that antenna. These are the antenna. Telemetry receiver. These are all the telemetry receiver. Command transmitter. Command transmitter. This side is called the earth station and this is the satellite. TTC and AIM is there. TTC, antenna, telemetry receiver, command transmitter, tracking subsystem, and associated processing analysis function, satellite control and monitoring is accomplished through monitors and keyboard interface. Major operation of the TTC and AIM may be automated with minimal human interface required. TTCM is a automation system that controls the satellite operation. Tracking refers to the determination of the current orbit, position and the movement of the spacecraft. The tracking function is accomplished by a number of techniques, usually involving satellite beacon signal, which are received by the satellite TTC and AIM earth station, the Doppler sheet of the beacon. So the tracking means, in a word, that is the determination of the satellite in its satellite position. That is the tracking. Now telemetry function involves collection of data from the sensors on board of the spacecraft and the relay of the information to the ground. This is the telemetry. Telemetry means that is a communication media actually. Tele means from long distance. Telemetry is the process or the branch of engineering. Rather, we can say it is a branch of communication engineering. The communication between the satellite and the subsystem present in the earth station. Both are controlled by various type of sensor, and the sensor data are analyzed here. Now command, according to the sensor data, it is complementary function of the telemetry. The command system relays specific control and the operation information from ground to the spacecraft. Which type of operation control is required? Mainly antenna pointing control, transponder mode of operation, and battery voltage control. Very important, power supply, because satellite working in the space. Power is done by the two types, so the solar panel, another is the battery. If eclipse occurs, the battery is the only source of energy. The power system is very important for the life of satellite. So this is the brief of tracking, telemetry, command and monitoring system. Tracking means tracking of satellite in the orbit by the earth station. This is done by the some telemetry principle, and then according to the position of the satellite, if it is tracked and if it is required to be shipped in his orbit, then a command signal is given and also monitored from the station this satellite is working safely or not. This is done by TTC and M. So this is TTC and M system is a command is TTC and M system actually in satellite and earth station in both type of synchronization take place to follow up the satellite working in the orbit. Thank you. Thank you all.